Over a period of time, the way New Year celebrations have changed drastically. The celebration where people gathered around and had fun with songs and danced is considered traditional now. Today, people are being creative with the types of parties. In case you too want to party this New Year, here are top 5 New Year party essentials you need to know to celebrate your New Year to the fullest. Top 5 New Year party essentials. Collect guest passes from nightclubs. Who doesn't want to dance around to great music and forget about all the worries of the world? Most nightclubs organize live music performances by eminent artists and live EDM by world-famous DJs. The food and drinks are of top quality. These places have attractive packages which include all the services. However, they are in great demand and you cannot get them on the day itself. People generally collect the passes well in advance. You can procure these passes from various sources. You can visit the nightclub's website and procure from there. You can also follow them on social media and procure the passes as soon as they announce the celebration. Low-key movie night. If you are not a hardcore party person but still like to have a good time with friends and family, then a movie night can be your party essential. You can watch your favorite movie in your home theater. If you do not have a home theater and you can rent a projector and a screen, it gives the feeling of a theater. Your guests can join you in their most comfortable attire and you can order popcorn and pizzas. You can have a cozy night with your near and dear ones. Booking a farmhouse. Instead of depending on the parties organized by others for fun, you can arrange your own New Year's Eve party. You can start this by talking to your friends first. You can decide on a budget among yourselves. Then, you can start looking for the most affordable farmhouse in your city. Prepare a list of those locations, choose a good one that offers you a good discount and has a reputation for preparing delicious food. For this, booking a farmhouse can be a very good option. However, you must book much before the event or else it would be booked. Have a photo booth. A photo booth is quite a must-have for a great New Year party. In a photo booth, you can have fun gathering pics with a New Year theme photo frame and props. A photo booth with white background colored balloons and some fun masks is all you need. Accumulate your companions and postures with a photo booth. Everybody will need to get in on the fun as they take photographs. It could be your best do-it-yourself activity for the evening. Props. In today's world, we can't attend any party without clicking a selfie. To enhance the fun while clicking selfies, people use creative props. Your guests pose with these props which add more fun to it. There'd also be great fun to use it in a video call or virtual party with friends and family far away. Fancy dress wigs, photo booth stick signs, boards, stickers, etc. are some of the props that will fill your photo with color, humor and variety. New Year parties are not meant to be attended alone. With these essentials, you are now assured to be closer to your close ones this New Year.